once you have your media uploaded, you are ready to start placing it on your timeline. You can see that I've got my images here, and I also went back and I uploaded my saved MP3 file. This is a piece of music from Sounds Abound. And to put your media on your timeline, you have some options down here. You have an audio track, and you have 2 video lines or video tracks. And as you work with this, it'll just take a little bit of experimentation, but you can kind of think of the tracks as layering things. So for example, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my music, and I'm going to just click and drag my music down to the audio one. Now you can see that placing it here would not work. You can see that the edges of it turn red. And that is because if it is an audio file, it will not work on the video lines. So when I'm here, you can see that it turns green. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that in. And something else just to quickly mention is, although I think WeVideo does autosave, it's a good idea that as you make changes and edits, to come up here to your menu, and every once in a while do click the save button just to make sure that you're saving any of the work that you're doing. Okay, so back to this. Now video is a little confusing. It doesn't mean just video. So these tracks will work for video clips, and they also work for images. So why it says video, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to start bringing down my images and placing those on the track. Actually, I think I already did that one, so I'm going to grab a different one. And you can see that the edges turn green as I bring it down here, and then when I release it, they turn blue. That means they are in place. Okay, I'm just going to get a couple more. I want to make sure I got these a little bit mixed up here. And let's see if I got any other interesting. Here's one I don't think I have yet. Okay. Now, one of the things you'll notice right away is that my music is longer than what I have here. And we'll talk a little bit more about how to make things a little more even and how we can lengthen things. Now, I don't have anything on video 2 yet, but I will. In a future tutorial, we'll talk about adding text. But as far as getting your media down into your timeline, it is just a matter of clicking and dragging into the appropriate track. And that is adding media to your timeline.